In the early days of British colonialism, the East India Company's rule was marked by outright plunder, draining wealth from Bengal after the Battle of Plassey in 1757. But this brute force approach proved unsustainable, sparking rebellions like the 1857 revolt. The British Crown realized that long-term control required a more sophisticated system: administrative governance. This shift from chaotic extraction to structured bureaucracy became the hallmark of imperial rule. To replace violence with legitimacy, Britain introduced codified legal systems like the Indian Penal Code, 1860. These laws centralized authority under British-defined order, criminalizing dissent while protecting colonial interests. Courts staffed by British judges became tools of control, masking exploitation under the guise of justice. The message was clear: rebellion would now be met with trials, not troops. The Permanent Settlement of 1793 transformed Bengal's agrarian economy into a rigged system. Peasants, once paying variable tributes, were now trapped in fixed debts to British-appointed landlords. Revenue policies turned fertile lands into cash flow machines for the empire, while famines like 1770 were ignored. Unlike sporadic looting, this was exploitation by ledger, silent, systemic, and devastating. Thomas Macaulay's 1835 education reforms weaponized language, replacing Persian and Sanskrit with English medium schools. The goal? To create a class of persons Indian in blood and color, but English in taste and intellect. These Anglophone elites became clerks and bureaucrats, perpetuating colonial logic. Cultural hegemony, not canons, now secured loyalty. Plunder was obsolete when natives governed themselves for the crown. When India and Pakistan gained independence in 1947, they inherited the British steel frame, the same civil services, land laws, and even the IPC. Today, post-colonial governments still battle these administrative ghosts. The lesson? Plunder steals gold, but bureaucracy steals futures. Britain's true legacy wasn't the wealth it took, but the systems it left behind to keep taking.